So this is how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. So if you're facing something went wrong on YouTube, or when it displays or pop up on your device, what you have to do is to go to your phone menu and tap on the settings. Then what you have to do is to tap on apps and notification. After that, what you have to do is to tap on see your apps. After that, you're going to see that it's going to load. So after loading, you're going to see all your apps on your phone listed alphabetically form. So as you can see, it has been listed from A to Z. Then you tap on the search bar. Then after that, tap on YouTube. You have to search for YouTube. After that, tap on the YouTube when it appears. Then you tap on permissions. Make sure every permission is allowed. Tap on storage and cache. Clear the cache. Then you come to mobile data and Wi-Fi or mobile data restriction. Make sure the background data is turned on like this. Just toggle it on. It's really important. Then go to notifications. Make sure every notification is turned on. After that, tap on force stop. Then you tap on OK. After doing all this, what you have to do is to go to Google Play Store. So you go to your phone menu, then you tap on the Google Play Store. After tapping on it, you have to search for YouTube app. So when you search for YouTube, you're going to see YouTube appear on this. Then you tap on it and make sure you update it. So when you're seeing update over here, then you tap on it. But when you're seeing open like this, as you are seeing mine, don't tap on open, just leave it like that. So after updating it, what you have to do is to restart your device. So tap on restart, then tap on OK, and everything is going to work successfully. So this is how to fix something went wrong on YouTube. See you in the next one. If you have any problem, let me know in my comment section. Bye.